muna sa Shell Boso. Ayan si Madam, oh. Madam! Welcome to my vlog again. Back here in Rizal. At mag-ride sili kami ni Madam Dora Dolrich. Stop over muna kami ulit dito sa Shell.
Few moments later.
Enjoy the ride sa Marilaki Highway.
Woke up on a Tuesday, the sky was gray, but inside my heart, sunshine all the way. Got my favorite trainers laced up tight, gonna chase my dreams there in plain sight. Traffic jam, but I don't mind at all. Roll down my window, hear the city call. Life's a game, a dancing crazy time. No rush, no fuss, let's just enjoy the ride.
Second stop namin dito sa highway ng Marilaki kasi maglulomi daw si Madam Claudia. Tara maglomi tayo. Grabing buhok ko. Special lomi here in Marilaki with Madam. 50 pesos lang to. Yes. Diba? Special na to na lomi. Kami maglomi and next na ang aming kape dito sa Brothers Cafe. Ito yung dati namin pinapuntahan. Harapan na naman siya. Ito na yan. Walang maupuan dun sa Brothers Cafe. Kaya dito lang kami.
Ituloy na natin ang ating ride trip sa Marilaki Highway.
Foot on the pedal, the engine roars, chasing horizons beyond the doors.